guys, this is Edward from Twist Performance, and today I want to show you how you can install our new product, the day running lights for Nissan Skyline Halogen type headlights. First of all, you need to open your headlights. Remove holding clips from cover glass joint perimeter and remove 2 screws on edge of cover glass. Carefully heat joint line between glass and headlight core with heat gun. After heating, start carefully push glass out from the core of headlight with knife or flat plastic extractor. Do not apply too much force. Try to push slowly from different points and hit the joint line again if you feel that applied force must be increased. After glass is extracted, remove screws that hold the inner bezel and extract it from the glass. Day running light modulus will be attached to this plastic bezel. Before install, remove side marker cover glass and make 2 teeny holes with 3 mm drill bit and hand drill in the bezel side marker part. Apply 3M double-sided bonding tape on mount places of day running lights and carefully place lights inside the bezel. Mount wires on the back of the bezel with hot glue and pass them into the holes you made before. You can put wires and solder it back after, or detach pins from the connector, pass wires and attach it back. Connect installed lights to the side marker board, connect the bulb socket harness to the remaining power connector, apply bonding tape on the edge of the marker board and place it inside the side marker part. So it's time to put everything back. Install a bezel with day running lights into the headlight cover glass, secure it with the remaining screws and remove protective tape from the mirror on the back of each day running light model. Apply new butyl sealant into the mounting slot of the headlight's core. Heat new sealant a little to reduce pushing force resistance during mounting. Push headlight lens with installed bezel into the headlight's core. Same as before, heat joint line and push glass back into place. And mount holding clips in process. This will help you to seal light right and squeeze out all excess sealant. Don't forget to install back holding screws on the edge of the light. Now it's time to install your headlights back on the car and you finally can enjoy your new cool day running lights. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.